you often hear the word Salafiyyah or Salafism. What kind of relation does this have to the term Salaf?
So the word Salafi is an ascription. You're ascribing yourself now to the early generation.
Okay.
You're saying, I'm upon their way. You're attributing yourself to them. Because in the hadith that I just mentioned, the Prophet ﷺ, he said, خَيْرُ النَّاسِ قَرْنِي. They are the best, of people. So their virtue is not only in their knowledge, but rather it's their knowledge, their action, and their belief.
Okay.
So they are virtuous in three things. Their knowledge was profound because they saw the revelation come down. They saw what was taking place at the time of the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Secondly, their actions. When they took that knowledge from the Messenger alayhi salatu wasallam, their implementation was also unprecedented. And their piety and their belief system, what they believed in and their faith and their aqeedah was also the best. And no one can level to them or be like them. So we're attributing ourselves. You're attributing yourself when you say Salafi, you're attributing yourself to them in knowledge, in action, and also in belief, in their creed.
Okay.